Welcome. In front of me is a HUAWEI Mate X6, and today I'll show you how you can enable and set up your Do Not Disturb mode. So to get started, swipe down from the top right side of your screen like so, and then find the Do Not Disturb toggle, which if it's not added by default, you might need to add it yourself by clicking right here, but it is, for me, visible right over here. I think this is actually the default location though. Anyway, once you see it, hold it the first time around and then select settings, and this will quickly redirect you to the settings for Do Not Disturb mode. You can then go over all these options that are in here, customize them to fit your needs, and also if you plan to use a schedule, you'd set one up right here. Now for everyone else who wants to use this mode manually, once you set it all up, just find the toggle, simply tap on it, Do Not Disturb, and there we go, it is now enabled. Now with the manual enabled, you'll also need to remember to turn it off, otherwise it will run indefinitely. And as you can see, you can just tap on it to turn it on. There we go. Make sure you click on the actual icon, the gray one. So yeah, once you tap on it, it will turn off. So with that being said, hopefully you found this very helpful, and if you did, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.